Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take screenshots and long screenshots in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. There are two methods of taking screenshot in your phone. First method using power button and volume down button. Let's see how to take screenshot. Okay, the first method. First go to any page in your phone. Okay, here I would like to take a screenshot from this page. I open Google Chrome and this is the page where I need a screenshot. To take a screenshot, use power button and volume down button together. Just press them together to take a screenshot. Okay, power button is on right side, volume down button is also on the right side. Just press them together like this and screenshot will be taken. This is a normal screenshot. Okay, for taking long screenshot you should have longer page first. Okay, ensure that your page is can be scrollable, so you can take a long screenshot. Okay, this page is a large space and here itself I would like to take longer screenshot. Okay, for that use the same method, power button and volume down button together. Just press them together and after pressing you will see a button to take long screenshot. Okay, first press it and here you will see the enlarging icon. Just click it, again click it. If you click once, screen will be enlarged once. Okay, in this way you can extend the screen. Okay, up to end of screen you can do it. Okay, if you want to stop at the middle, in between in between the screen area, just click over the image and it will be stopped and you can open your screenshot. This is the long screenshot. See here, it will ask you to give the permission. Just give the permission. This is the long screenshot that you took using power button and volume down button. Okay, if you want to edit this screenshot, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is click on edit button, and there will be many editing tools. Just you can use several editing tools like crop, adjust, filter, markup. Markup means you can just write over the screenshot. You can highlight something, you can also change color, so whatever may be, just you can edit. Okay, after editing, click on done and click on save copy. Click on save copy and it will be saved and it will be located in screenshot folder. Okay, this is the first method of taking screenshot and long screenshot. The second method is there. For that you go to setting first. Go to the settings in your phone. Go to settings, then go to accessibility. Go to accessibility and here go to interaction and textuality. Interaction and textuality. Here you will have assistant menu option. Just turn on this button and give all permissions and assistant menu will be active. This is the assistant menu. Okay, if you touch on it you will see screenshot icon. Okay, just a screenshot will be taken. See here, screenshot is taken. Okay, as usual, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot, then use assistant menu icon and click on screenshot icon there and screenshot will be taken. For taking long screenshot, the same method. What you have to do is just you have to click on screenshot icon. After taking screenshot, click on the enlarging icon and it will be enlarged. And if you want to stop at any particular point, just click over the image and image will be stopped enlarging. And as this is the long screenshot that I took using assistant menu option, that is second option. If you want to edit this one, you can edit or you can cancel it and you can later edit. Okay, to locate this screenshot file, what you have to do is just go to the home screen and go to Samsung and here go to my files and here go to internal storage and here you will click on all and here you will see the folder. click on pictures, no, here not available. Click on DCIM and click on screenshots. Okay, so what you do is, again I tell, go to the my files and click on internal storage, then click on DCIM folder and locate screenshots folder. All screenshots that I took using two different methods will be showing here. See here, long screenshots that I took using button method is available here. Okay, so in this way you can also locate this screenshot after taking screenshot, and you can use your screenshot for sharing it to your friends, relatives, or your officers, whatever maybe. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.